This girl right here, she thinks it's okay to put pretzels wherever she wants to. Those are up in my shoes. Protect your hood. Oh. For me. You're so gross. Oh my god. Hello. What's going on here? Okay, I think I'm going to say bye to this video.
No! Let's tape somebody with masking tape.
Eat candy!
Let's tape somebody with masking tape. Well, this tape. I want to tape Adrian up. Let's go run. Get Adrian. Okay, let's go.
Ready? Fly. Oh, man.
Hey. Why is there pretzels all over?
She put them all up in my hood, and then I recorded her eating them out, and then there's hairs to spit it out.
Okay, Tori, open it.
I know, I got them out.
I can open it.
Is it the other way?
No, sorry, I got it. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm recording.
Oh, shoot! No! Oh, it is the other way.
It had the arrows.
I can't read arrows!
We had a better version of the Eat It Like a Vulture song.
Yeah, ready?
Wait, Seagull.
Eat it like a seagull, like a seagull. Eat it like a seagull, like a seagull. Poke it like a vulture, poke it like a...
He's leaving, I'm sorry.
No, beat him on
5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, picture. Ew, your face.
Get my camera! No, my baby! What are you doing? Hey, take his leg. No. You better not take my mouth.
Okay, I'm getting bored.